We all know who was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, also known as the Bapu of our country. He was the one who played a very major role in getting our country free from Britishers. But we all know that after getting freedom from Britishers, we have a very major fear in our heart that is called terrorism. Gandhiji taught us some values such as honesty, see no evil, speak no evil, and hear no evil. And on top of that, he also taught us to be non-violent. I duly respect Gandhiji and also respect his values. And I also believe that if his values are followed, we can make our life simple, easy, and we can also be friendly with our society. But terrorism is not a part of our society. It is against our society. And whatever is against our society, our mission must be to curb it, to annihilate it, and whatever the means may be. If the means is violence, we must practice violence. Gandhian values were applicable when Gandhiji was there. The level of crime and the level of terrorism has rose up to such an extent that Gandhian values have no place over there. लोहे को लोहा ही काटता है, जहर को जहर ही मिटाता है. गांधी जी कहते थे कि अगर तुम्हारे कोई एक गाल पे थप्पड़ मारे तो दूसरा गाल आगे कर दो. सत्य यह है कि क्योंकि उस समय में लोग थप्पड़ से और लाठीचार्ज से काम लेते थे, परंतु इस समय लोग गोली से और बम से काम लेते हैं और कोई जिंदा नहीं बचता ये कहने के लिए कि मेरे ऊपर एक और बम गिरा दो. गांधी जी taught us some values, but all of them are not applicable in this area. I would also like एक और कहावत कहना चाहूंगा कि लातों के भूत बातों से नहीं मानते. Whatever the problems can be curbed with Gandhian values must be curbed with Gandhian values. But if anything is inevitable with Gandhian values, you must use other means.